Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the remote supports Vizio or generic TV codes and installing fresh batteries so signals are strong. Once done, turn the Vizio on and sit about 3 to 6 feet away, pointing directly at the TV's IR sensor. Press and hold the remote's code search or setup button until the indicator light stays on. This tells the remote you're about to enter programming mode. Make sure the TV remains powered so you can detect changes during the next steps. Now you'll either run an automatic code search or enter a specific Vizio code manually. For auto search, press the remote's power button repeatedly while pointed at the TV until the screen turns off or responds. When it does, press save or enter to lock that code. Alternatively, type a known Vizio code from the remote manual and press enter to confirm. After locking, test power, volume, and input buttons. If volume doesn't control the TV, try alternative TV or aux codes, because some remotes map volume to separate device codes. Finish by saving the working code exactly as your remote's guide instructs, then test every primary function: power, mute, volume, input, and smart apps. If the remote has a learning mode, you can manually map missing smart buttons from the original Vizio remote. This preserves app navigation. If something fails, rerun the auto search or try different Vizio codes. Also reset the universal remote to factory and repeat. One key troubleshooting tip: remove obstacles and test at close range because IR alignment is often the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.